Hello, my fellow kitchen technicians. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making minced beef sauce. Yes, but please do take a second to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell in order to receive all subsequent videos. Thank you very much. Now let's make this recipe.
For this recipe, we need 2 cups minced meat, that is beef. We need half purple onion and half white onion, 1 carrot, green chili pepper, half cup spring onion, 6 fresh tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half teaspoon mixed spice, half teaspoon black pepper, little seasoning, half green pepper, that is bell pepper, a pinch of salt, half cup oil. Now for our minced beef recipe, let's begin by chopping our half white onion, followed by the half purple onion. This difference is just in the color. I'm dicing the purple onion because that goes into the oil for its flavor, while the white goes in later in a more chunky form. We will then chop our carrots into bigger sizes. We want to have them chewy in our mouth. Next, let's chop our bell pepper. We'll follow that up by chopping our spring onions also. We will now dice our flavorful garlic to light up our sauce. I really love garlic. Then we'll chop our tomatoes into small sizes. So let's proceed to heat 1 cup of oil in our skillet. You can check the oil by dropping a little piece of onion into the oil. It's hot enough, so let's proceed to pour our onions and garlic in the oil at this point. Leave it to turn light brown. Now we'll go ahead and put our minced meat in. This is homemade minced beef. It is very fresh and tasty too. Check out my video on how to make minced beef in a blender. It's actually very simple and easy. Now go ahead and stir really well to break all the lumps up in order to have a beautiful minced beef stew. Let it cook for about 4 minutes. Now we have to add our green chili pepper mix. This mix consists of 2 green chili pepper. You can use more if you love spicy like me. A little ginger, some rosemary, a little thyme, and parsley. Blend all these to have your green chili pepper paste. Add a little salt. Stir for about 3 minutes. Now we'll proceed to pour in our chopped tomatoes and stir consistently for about 9 minutes, making sure our tomatoes softens and mixes well with our minced beef sauce. Feel free to add water to your sauce as and when necessary. For example, if it gets too thick, or maybe you just prefer light sauces, it's your call. Let's add our carrots and continue to stir for about 4 minutes. You may put in 2 bay leaves for extra flavor. Now let's proceed with all the other spices: black pepper, mixed spice, curry powder, seasoning cube, salt, and grate in some nutmeg, very important. Stir for a while and proceed to add your chopped white onions and your chopped green bell pepper. Let's stir a little and go on to add our chopped spring onions and 2 green chili pepper for extra flavor. You know how we do, right? Please do leave comments as we would love to interact and learn together. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new to this channel, welcome to the family of kitchen technicians. Please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Join this amazing family and let's do wonders together. We will leave it on low heat and stir intermittently for about 4 minutes. Our minced beef sauce is ready to serve.
Our minced beef sauce is ready, and it's ready to be served with anything you choose to serve it with. It will go well with yam, rice, pasta, you choose. As you are enjoying your minced beef sauce with your rice, yam, or anything you choose, take a minute and subscribe. Do like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. And let's grow this wonderful channel. Thank you very much for sticking with me. See you soon. Bye-bye.